Isum ko ka no. Okay. Lawaing di kalsadaing over here in Brooksiding. Charis!
Amson.
Ni Amson, yes! Brian Nixon, Doliente! Woo! Nice one! Lawaing di kalsadaing, widening! Yay! Na? Awan damot na, sikatan na ibijon! Oh! Mimit obordor! Nalpason! Nice one! Happy Tuesday afternoon in Brookside. Nice one! Happy afternoon. Videoing and capturing the face valuing obordor the kabiting. Just for fun, guys. Okay. Kabiti na, guys. This is the Tuping. Kabite ko namin ti may isang Ilocano. Okay. Ilocano na. Guys. Na? Okay. Nice one. Thank you.